Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, and if you're not new, hey guys. So I'm back with another hair video, and I'm going to show you how I got my slick ponytail. So let's get right into this video. So I'm going to take a rat tail comb, and I'm just going to start combing it up just to see how high I want this ponytail to be. After a while, the comb was kind of hurting a little bit, so I just took the brush because I felt like that would be more easier to brush it up. So I'm going to take my Edge Entity Follicle Stimulated Cream, and I'm just going to apply that on my edges. Yeah, I'm struggling with my edges trying to grow them back, and this cream is really good. I just need to start using it more on a consistent basis because I really don't. So I can't really tell if there's any changes. So yeah, I might do like a 30-day video on that. So now I'm just gonna brush out my edges just because I don't want to be pulling that when I do this ponytail. So yeah, this is the word of advice. If you're trying to keep your edges, just make sure you brush them out so that you're not pulling on them. And I'm gonna go in with this wax stick from Cantu, and I'm just gonna apply that to my hair, and it's gonna help with slicking my hair so that I don't have to use so much product. I wish I would have got the Ebin brand, but this one works okay. So I'm just gonna put it in, I'm just gonna put a scrunchie on it for the time being while I add the product in. This just makes the process a little bit more easier than having the hair fully out. So next, just doing section at a time, I'm gonna take that Got To Be freeze spray, and I'm just gonna spray it, use a comb to comb it up a little bit, and then use the blow dryer to dry it. And I'm just gonna go section by section. This just works better than spraying the whole head and combing it up and blow drying it. It's just better that way. So I'm just speeding up this video because it's, you don't need to really see me do this in slow-mo because it's so simple, so easy. So now I'm gonna take the scrunchie out, and I'm just gonna fix the ponytail now that I put the freeze spray and it's a little bit more neater now. And I'm just gonna take these extra large black rubber bands, and I'm going to use that to secure my ponytail. So I had took out the ponytail just so I can add some even edge control. I just felt like my hair wasn't slick enough. So I just added this, kind of slick it even more. This edge control is really, really good, especially if you have curly hair, natural hair, if your hair frizzes up a lot, or if you sweat and it curls up. This is a really good edge control. So I put this on, and then I also added my Got To Be glue gel, just because for extra strength to make sure that my hair doesn't frizz up. Because when I say I'm trying to keep this ponytail in for a few days, I really am trying to keep this in for a few days, okay? So I just need as much hold as I can get. So I'm gonna take that extra large rubber band, and I'm just gonna put it in my hair, and then I'm also gonna take a black scrunchie for extra support and add that as well. So now I'm just gonna braid my hair down, and then I'm just gonna take a rubber band just to put at the bottom so that it doesn't come out. So I'm just gonna add a little spritz to my hair because my hair gets really frizzy, and I just want extra protection because I need this ponytail to last for a couple of days. So I'm gonna take my edge scarf, and I'm just going to place that on my edges and tie that so that it just kind of, mold everything in place. So I'm gonna take these black wrap strips, and I'm just gonna wrap it around my braid. I ended up once I got to a certain point, just fold my hair down and wrapped it around. I used 2 sheets because I just wanted to make sure my hair was secure, since I'm gonna be using hair glue, and to get that hair glue out your hair, it's ugh. So I'm gonna use a black rubber band just to kind of secure the wrap sheets. I've seen people use hair glue, but that's just not something that I want to use to secure the wraps. I'd rather just use a black rubber band or a scrunchie, whatever your preference is. I'm so mad that this is out of focus. This is the one time that I recorded without hooking up my camera to my laptop so I can see. But I'm so sorry, you guys. But anyway, I'm using my Ebin edge control, but this is the colored one, where it's a color 1B. I'm putting this on my edges just so it could appear as if I have edges. That's a little trick that I like to use. And I think they do come in different colors, like different hair colors, if you need one to complement your hair color. But yeah, I'm just putting it in certain areas that are a little sparse to make it look like I have somewhat of edges. So now I'm applying my edge scarf and my regular scarf on my hair, just so that when I'm wrapping the hair around, it doesn't kind of cause any friction to my slick pony. So the hair I'm using is the Bobbi Boss Miss Origin, and this is their long straight weave in natural black, and I got 30 inches, which is crazy because I originally wanted to do like the nice little 90s ponytail, like the short high ponytail with the hair flip. And then I went to a beauty supply store and I saw the 30 inches and your girl just had to get it. Like, I don't know what is wrong with me. Every time I say I'm gonna do short hair, I wind up getting long. I don't know, I just love the dramatics of long hair. So yeah, anyway, so I just applied a little bit of hair glue, and I'm gonna start with the tip of that, I guess you can call it like a pony, because it's at the tip of the sheet, the end of my ponytail, whatever you wanna call it. And I'm just gonna wrap it around and add some glue as I keep wrapping around. And yeah, I'm speeding up this video. But yeah, I'm just gonna keep wrapping, adding glue, wrapping, adding glue, wrapping, adding glue until I get all the way to the end of the hair. So I'm just gonna take a wig brush and I'm just gonna comb out this ponytail before I add the second bundle. So I decided to add the second bundle off camera because I'm literally doing the same exact step as when I put the first bundle in. So yeah, I did that off camera, and now I'm just taking my blow dryer and I'm just putting it on the welt part just to dry the hair glue. And again, I'm taking that wig brush and I'm just combing out my ponytail. So I'm gonna take a little section, not little, but just enough from the back, and I'm gonna use that to wrap around the ponytail to hide the tracks. So I'm just gonna brush that piece, and then I'm gonna start wrapping it around the ponytail, and I'm gonna use my Febreze, oh my god, my Got2b free spray, and I'm just gonna spray it on the hair, and try not to spray too much because you don't want to make it hard, but you just want to spray enough to kind of secure it, and you want to make sure that you're wrapping it tight, brushing it, spraying it as you wrap, and you're just going to keep repeating that step until you get to the end of the hair. As I get to the end of the hair, I'm just going to use some Got2b spray and just spray it on there, and then I'm going to take the bobby pins, I don't know which ones these are called, but the open ones, and kind of just secure the hair. So I ended up taking some more hair from the back because I'm like, I kind of want this ponytail to be a little bit higher. So I'm doing the same exact steps that I did with the first piece of hair, wrapping around, brushing it, spraying the spray, wrap until I get to the end, and I'm gonna put a bobby pin to secure it. And then I'm gonna take my blow dryer and just, go over the spots where I sprayed that Got2b spray. And now that my ponytail is secure, I am just going to brush it out with that wig brush again. So now I'm just gonna remove my edge scarf so I can do my edges. I like to save my edges for the end. Some people usually do their edges first and then, do the ponytail, but I feel like once the ponytail is set, you kind of know like how you want to do your edges. So I'm using my Ebin gel edge control, and this is the regular clear one, and I'm just using this to kind of just brush my edges and just seeing how I want them to be laid. So this is the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below, let me know what other hair tutorial videos you would like to see, and if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you hit that subscribe button and support your girl. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next upload.